Hi, I'm Amy Snell, the Devious Knitter, and I'm going to show you what to do about the holes that sometimes show up in the gusset of our socks. They often show up here where we change direction to form the flap and gusset, or at the area where we join an afterthought heel. You don't need to do anything to them until you've finished your socks and ready to weave in your ends. And at that point, you can turn your sock inside out and take a nearby end if you have one, or a scrap piece of yarn that's the same color as that area of the sock. I'm using a contrast color so you can see it very well, but you would usually use the same color. Just thread it onto a tapestry needle, and then you're going to go under the purl bumps all the way around that hole. There's not a specific set of bumps that you need to use, but you want to use something that's pretty close to the edge of the hole, and just get all the way around so you're making a full circle around the hole, as you can see that I'm doing here. Just keep going, grabbing those purl bumps, and I'm going to make sure I've gotten all the way around so that my yarn just almost crosses the other yarn where I started from. Give it a little pull, and that hole closes right up, and then you'll sew in your ends. Here's what this looks like on the right side now that that's all closed up. And you can see on the other side, there's the size of hole we started with. You can find more tips and tricks as well as my upcoming teaching schedule on my website, www.devioussknitter.com. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter as @devioussknitter.